2 weeks ago, our hive swarmed, and I was able to get them back in the hive, which is kind of a controversial decision because it was midsummer. I could have put them in a new hive box, but what I was afraid of is that they wouldn't have enough time to build out the frames and comb and have enough time to get honey. So I made a decision to put them back in the original hive box that they were in, but then I added another box on top to give them more room. I think they originally left because they ran out of room. That's nature's way of multiplying, is they'll take half of the colony with them and make a new queen and everything else. Anyways, so come 2 weeks later, I went out to check on them, and there was no brood, there was no babies. So I was like, crap, what do I do? So I called my bee guy, and he was like, what probably happened was the new queen went on her mating flight and she was killed. Possibly, we don't exactly know. Point is I have a hive that's queenless. So I had to go buy a new queen, and here she is. A couple of her workers. I don't know if I can see it that well. I'll take some pictures. But I'm going to get suited up here, and we're going to take this... Shoot, just dropped her. Take this new queen out to... Oh yeah, they're mad. Out to the hive. And you'll notice it's slippery because it has candy on it where it's warm. It got a little wet. So you notice these little holes right here. You pull the cork out, and that allows the bees to eat the candy, and the bees inside, her workers, to eat it from the inside. And so that gives them about a week's worth of time together without them killing her, and they will hopefully accept this new queen. So I'm gonna get suited up, and I'll be back with you in a second once I'm over at the hive. So I'm here at the hive. You see they're all outside. It's a nice 92 degrees today. There she is. As soon as they get a whiff of her, they're going to be all over this little box. I'm going to make this quick. I'm not going to smoke them, so I'm going to make this a quick video. I'm not going to do a full inspection. I'm just simply going to lift it up, put her in between the frames, and call it good. Yeah, they're pissed. You see, that one's already trying to sting her. Asshole. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to set her in sideways. What I'm going to do is one-handed. Okay. So I was able to wedge it in these frames. Put it down in there. And wedge it a little bit more. Just so it don't fall. Alright. They were checking her out immediately. But they'll eat that candy, and she should come out. There's their new queen. It's midsummer, so I hope everything goes fine. We'll see. Keep you updated. I'll come back in 2-3 weeks to see if I see any brood. No, I'll make a new video. There we go.